Dosto, you are not failing SSB, but your English communication skill is. You know the answer, you understand the situation, but when it's time to speak, you hesitate. कितना लोगों को ये हो रहा है? That hesitation quietly kills your performance in the PP&DT, your interview. It affects your group behavior and your confidence in the group activities. I myself a service entry candidate from ACC 62 and I know exactly how this feels because I've gone through this. And I'm sure you also must be feeling the same, especially if you're a service entry candidate. English is not about grammar or accent, but English is about confidence and clarity. Clarity in thinking and clarity in expression. So SSB does not reject potential, but it rejects what it cannot see. So if you cannot express, you actually cannot show it. So you have to develop it. So if you think this is your weakness, please do not ignore it, fix it, and it can be fixed. And for more details how to do it, you can contact me on this number 9090099035. WhatsApp me. There's a link in the description. Every Saturday we have a demo class, and the next demo class is tomorrow. Please join the demo class and we will discuss how it has to be addressed. Thank you.